what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are chugging root beer, Maine Root. I got this at Whole Foods today. Oh, look at that. Pure cane sugar. This is the real deal, guys. Organic. Oh, not just any cane sugar. Organic cane sugar, guys. Whole Foods to the max, guys. The most expensive root beer right here. We're gonna chug that. But before we do that, you guys always ask me in the comments, do I even play these guitars? Like, is it just for decoration? No, it's not for decoration. I'm gonna play. Let me show you. Hold on, let me grab one. Okay. Got this bad boy right here. So I'm gonna prove to you right now. Here we go. G chord. Alright, that's that. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Alright, after jamming on guitar, let's do some chug. Here we go. Whoa, come on. Get this thing open. There we go. Did I get you guys or not? Organic cane sugar. Here we go. Cheers, guys. Salute.
Oh, stomach aches.
Alright, we did it. Accomplished. Whole Foods. There you go. Thumbs up. That organic cane sugar. Ooh, that's strong stuff right there. Root beer. Well, hope you guys dig it. Groovy vibes all the way. Big ups. I play guitar. I chug. I'm the chug master. You guys already know. Groovy vibes. We'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Wow.